Adjacent to this market is a value addition facility for cereals with a capacity of about 500 cubic meters. That is storage of up to 500,000 kilograms of our cereals. And that is big.
And we have been having traders scattered all over the different parts of Soroti City and the CBD of Soroti. Now with this market and with the expanded spaces here, we are going to be able to centralize the trading activities of people who deal in market-related merchandise into one area. And therefore, besides the aspect of us being able to attract the customers here and have the traders in one place, the element of revenue collection by the city council is also going to be much easier.
If you had come before this market was demolished, it was like a corral. But today when you see our market, you may not believe that you are in Uganda. You may say you are in an advanced country. So it's going to improve the working environment for the vendors.